Make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the mirror relay is located, you may have up to 2 different relays in different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. What's important to always test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the mirror relay, where you can expect to find it. It could be 2 different places, depending on the year, model, and all that stuff. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model, which will work for both. We have 4 different fuse boxes, today we will be working 2. The first one is under the hood. Open the hood guys, facing the engine. On the right side you have a fuse box under this cover here. Open it and you will find a main engine fuse box with a layout that will look just like this one right here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here the mirror relay that you need to check. Again, you may have or may not have one, depending guys on the option package. If you look at that fuse box, if you need to buy any relays, fuses, parts, tools at a really good price and quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Here there is one mirror relay that you may or may not have. It's relay number 3. Now, if you don't have any of the relays, don't worry, we will explain what we're talking about and why you don't have one. On the back side, open the trunk. On the right side you have a cover, open that cover, and behind that cover you'll find the trunk fuse box. Now, right here guys, okay, under that cover you're going to have, okay, 6 more relays. They go like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. And the one that you will need to check, okay, will be number 6 right here for the mirrors. That's where it's hidden. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.